Are you feeling tight and sore in your hips and low back area after a long day's work? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. In this video, I'll be demonstrating Pilates and Yoga Fusion together to help decompress your low back and hips area to restore and recover so you can have a good night's rest, or if you're waking up in the morning to start your day. It's a quick and easy one to follow along. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, let's start lying on your back with your knees bent, keeping your core engaged with your breathing. This will help protect your spine as you inhale and exhale. Deep breathing will help restore your spinal fluids. Exhale. As you inhale and exhale, expand your rib cage, your diaphragm. Exhale and pulling your belly button in to fully engage your deeper core muscles. Inhale and exhale. Keeping your knees bent will help relax your back. 2 more deep breaths. Last one. And exhale. So with your knees bent, your back should be in neutral spine, not flattening to a tilt. You want to make sure your pelvis is in neutral position, level. As you inhale, you want to slowly bend your knee to 90. When you bend, you might feel some pulling pain in your hips, toes pointing away. Knees bent to 90, not too high or not too low. So it's a little bit more relaxed on your low back area. And you can check by placing your hand at the small of your back. When you can slide it through, it means you have a natural curvature to help that neutral spine. As you inhale, exhale, slowly go down. Placing it together with the other foot as you lift the other leg to 90 again. You might feel some pulling pain in your hip groin area because you're stiff and tight from prolonged sitting. And you want to hold that a little bit as you inhale, squeezing your core in, and then exhale back slow and easy. You want to be gentle on your body. Inhale, bend to 90, exhale down. Slow and easy, so that you can have that mind-body connection with your breath work. 1 breath, 1 motion. Inhale, bend to 90. Exhale down. Inhale with your left. Exhale down. 2 more to go. Deep breath in. Exhale down, slow and easy. Last one on your other leg. And exhale. Now gently with your knees bent, you're going to lower 1 knee to the side, hip opening. You're going to feel a lovely stretch on your back and your hip groin area as you inhale down. And exhale, slowly go up, squeezing your core in. And then alternating with the other leg. Inhale down. You might feel some popping on your hips. And that's okay as long as there's no increase in pain. The other leg again. Inhale, lower to the side. Exhale up, squeezing your core in, keeping your back in neutral. Left leg, inhale. Exhale up. 2 more to go. Left side, slow and easy, without twisting your spine. If you can't lower your knee all the way down, the most important thing is you open it a little bit, keeping your core engaged and neutral spine. Last one, exhale. Now open your arms to the side, stretch it out for your chest, engaging your upper back by squeezing it on the mat. Inhale, and then gently lower both knees in one side. I'm starting on my right. Gently as you inhale, squeezing your core in. Exhale back to the center. Now slowly to the other side. Inhale, keeping my eye gaze looking up on the ceiling, keeping my neck straight for now. So inhale to the right, both knees, squeezing your core in. As you exhale up, inhale to the left. Feel that lovely stretch and exhale up. Now I'm going to progress by lowering my both knees to the right, and I'm slowly turning my head to the left for a deeper stretch on my lats and my hips all the way to my neck. And hold it there in 2 deep breaths in this position. Last one. And exhale, back center. Now I'm going to lower both of my knees to the other side, while simultaneously I'm turning my head to the opposite side. Squeezing my core in, I'm going to feel some release of tension off my hands, wrists, all the way to my elbow and shoulders. 2 more deep breaths in this position. Last one. Inhale and exhale back to the center. 1 more set to the right, both knees, turning my head to the other side as I inhale and exhale. 1 more deep breath and exhale, center. Last one to the left as I turn my head to the right. Inhale, exhale. Last one. And back center. Now I'm gonna lengthen one leg. So I'm straightening my left leg, keeping my right knee bent. And I'm gonna cross it over towards the left side of my outer side of my left thigh. And lift my left hand to cross over my outside of my right knee. So from this position, I'm gently lowering my right knee towards my left, and I'm turning my head further to the right to stretch deeper. So this is a deeper stretch all the way to your knee area. And hold that for 2 deep breaths. 1 more. Now gently go back to the center. Arms both out again. Palms up. Straighten the right knee. Cross over your left knee towards the outside of my right knee. Reach with my right hand towards to the outside of my left knee, so I can gently pull down my left knee towards the right as I slowly turn my head to the left. And I hold this for 2 deep breaths. One more, and exhale through your mouth. Slowly let go of your hand, placing your hands to the side. Lower your knees down straight, arms out. I'm gonna squeeze my scapular up again as I slowly bend my knee to tabletop again. Feel that stretch and slowly reach over with both of my hands to gently pull my right knee towards my chest to release some hip pain, deep hip groin area muscles that's tight, and then slowly pull it out to the side to slowly open up your hips as you inhale. Then exhale, swing it back to the center and gently cross over a little bit past all the way to the outside of your hip. Exhale. As you inhale, your chest, round it in a circle. Slowly lower to the outside part to open your hip. Exhale back to the center. Slowly pull it past midline again to further mobilize your hip inward. Last one. It's like we're doing a beautiful hip sweep with your knee bent this time. And then out to the side with your breathing. Last one. Inhale. This is a slow and gentle pace, Pilates and yoga. Mobilization of your hips and your back. Now lower your right knee down, your foot down, and slowly slide it down to lengthen. Now gently bend your left knee, reach it over, With both hands, pull it towards your chest as you inhale and exhale. Now gently lower it out to the side as you inhale. And then exhale, slowly go back past midline to cross a little bit towards to the right and feel that lovely pull all the way to your left hip without twisting your spine. My pelvis is still level. I'm just gently tugging it in. Feel the deep stretch on your hip muscles and your back. As you inhale, gently pull it towards your chest to round it out, pulling it out to the side as I open my hips to stretch. Inhale, pulling your belly button in to engage your core, keeping your back in neutral. Small space at the small of your back as you exhale, past midline to cross over and stretch. Last one, inhale gently. Pull your knee out to stretch. And exhale back to the center. And lower your foot down and straighten your knees down. Lovely work. Now with your palms out to the side, bend both knees again. And gently place one leg, your ankle on top of your thigh. It's a figure of 4 stretch as you gently lower the knee to the side, twisting gently. Inhale, you feel a lovely stretch on your hips. As you exhale back to the center and lower to the opposite side while you're in figure 4 position. You feel a deeper stretch on one side as you inhale slow and easy on your body. Exhale to the other side. Last set, inhale and exhale as you pass midline and across your body to the opposite side, keeping your eye gaze towards the ceiling. And each one has different flexibility, and your spine, you don't want to yank your spine, you want to do it gently. Now reach over your right hand towards the top of your knee and then gently push it out further for a figure 4 deeper stretch. And you might feel a pulling pain across your back or on your glutes area, deep under glutes. As you inhale, you can slowly progress by pulling both knees towards your chest in a figure 4. If this is too challenging, just continue pushing your knee out with both knees down. But for those with the deeper stretch and you have more flexibility and you can handle it without increasing pain, as long as a good stretch, pull it gently. Feel that deep stretch on your piriformis muscles. Now slowly we're gonna rock side to side, and you might feel some pulling pain on certain areas only. All the way to your knee sometimes if you have knee pain, so be careful. 2 more deep breaths. Last one. To the right, and then slowly lower your foot down. We're going to switch it up, figure 4 with your left this time. Gently press your knee out and place your hands to the sides first, elbow extended, to support your upper back as we slowly twist on one side, so twisting to the right gently. Inhale, be careful if there's increasing pain, you just want to feel a release. And then exhale to the other side. Inhale and exhale. Squeezing your core in, you want to make sure you're engaging your core muscles. Last set. Exhale to the side. and then the opposite side, and towards the same side, lowering to the left. Now gently place your hand on top of your knee to press it out further for a deeper stretch. You might feel a different sensation on the opposite leg, and you want to make sure your back is still in neutral spine. So I'm checking it with my hand at the small of my back. Now we're going to progress by hugging both knees to your chest for a deeper stretch. As you inhale and exhale, you feel a deep stretch on your piriformis muscles. Two more deep breaths in this position. Last one. And now slowly we're gonna rock side to side, making sure you're not twisting your back, you're just gently feeling a different sensation on your hip muscles. Be gentle to your body, slow and easy with your breathing. Breath work. Last one. Exhale. Now slowly reach for your big toes with your hands, clasp it with your hands, and move into happy baby by pulling your knees towards the floor. Feet, the sole of your feet facing up to the ceiling. Pull it down, hold it there for a deeper stretch. On your hip groin area, your thigh muscles, and gently rock side to side. This is the last stretch of our gentle Pilates and Yoga Fusion workout to help relieve any stiffness, soreness on your low back and hips area. Last deep breath and exhale slowly. Sit up gently, and that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed our simple workout. I'm glad you joined me. We just finished our 31 days revival 2021, so I made it slow and easy today as we continue with our simple workouts for the year. If you love my videos and want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy, health and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. You can leave a message down below on how you find my workouts. If you have any questions, concerns, or requests, or you can leave a message directly on my social media, and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. Till my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthier you. See you in my next video. Bye!